So this is your Compass Learning Odyssey website. So when you have an assignment in here, where will it tell you? Blackboard. Okay, so make sure that you don't complete assignments in here unless they are assigned to you so that it all goes together. So once you log in with your login information, it will look like this. This will be your home page. And when you have an assignment in here, it will have a circle around it. If you don't have a circle around it, you will not have an assignment in it. So you can go in, I'll go ahead and click on the math, and here you'll have assignments by week. So here's week 8, 28 Zoom Math Edition. So you'll click on that. That is, you'll complete that. Once you complete these assignments, they will go away. So you know, so if you go in there, kids, if your parents go in there and you say that you finished it, but it's still there, that means that you haven't completed it. You can go in here to get your grades that you completed. And you can see them there. In Compass, you do have to get a 70% on assignment. If you see that you did not fully understand something and you got less than a 70%, then I will assign it to you. So either you will email me to redo it, but say you didn't see the grade or you didn't know. So kids, if you didn't see that you didn't pass it, I will be going in there and I will pull your grade. If it is less than a 70%, I will send you an email to tell you to redo it because you didn't fully understand the skill or something else might have happened. So I will email you. Parents, if you wonder that or you did not go in to check the grade on it. But if you do see that, they did something, so here is where you would want them to complete. So there's usually an activity. If the kids need help through the activities, by all means, step in to help. If there's a quiz or a test, those are to be taken solely by themselves. Whenever you see test, quiz, those are key words. Kids, take them on your own. And that makes you happy and not sad because if you do get help, it it will hurt you. If it's in Compass, if it's in Blackboard, if it's in Wonders or your spelling, whenever it says take test quiz, you take that on your own. No help from computer, no help from calculators. In elementary, well, at least in K through 3, you do not use calculators at all. So you don't want to use that for any help whatsoever. So yeah, so that's it. If you click on it, you'll see, so if you have week 28 Zoom Math, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little lessons, and I'll scroll over to see them all. So that would be 5 little lessons that you would have for that week 28. So not all the time, it's just like one little lesson, but it does explain and tell you what to do in Blackboard. So there's never a question. All right. That is pretty much it. You can go back, if you need to go back to home base to see what other assignments you have, click on the little house right at the left-hand corner. And then again, you can go into language arts because you would have an assignment there. You click on that. And here you saw that it was a redo week 26. So there you would see that you can this person would have had to redo this assignment. And remember, it is always sent to you by email. So there's not a question. If you forget to go into Parent Portal to see the grade, there it will tell you to redo it as well under, because you will get a grade for it. So if you got the lower grade and you never did redo it, then you still will have that low grade. If you do redo it, then I will, the policy usually is that you tell me that you've completed an assignment, but sometimes students in K3, sometimes you forget or parents forget. It is nice to get an email so I can get that in, but I do check on that to make sure that you get full credit as well on that. Any redos usually I do on a Monday. So if you did it on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you will probably not see that updated grade until um, the one day that I pull all the redos. So that is that. And you can go into your gradebook and your portfolio, see kind of what you've been doing. So fun website. That's about it. Any questions? I need any help? Always ask me. All right. Have a great day. Bye.